Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is the tech news of the day. As usual, before we get started, hit the like button or dislike button and do share this video with your friends if you like it. Motorola has launched a new phone in India. It's called the Moto G05, which is a budget 4G phone and it's priced at 7,000 rupees. It comes with a 6.67-inch HD display, 90Hz screen refresh rate, Android 15 out of the box. You'll also get 2 years of security updates, which is actually pretty good for the price. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra processor with 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and a 5200 mAh battery. Overall, for the price, it's definitely pretty good. You can consider buying it. In CES, Nvidia has finally announced the new range of graphic cards. We have the new RTX 5090, 5080, 5070 Ti and 5070. Nvidia says RTX 5090 is almost twice as powerful as 5080. And these are the prices. 5090 is priced around $2,000 and 5080 is priced at $999. We have been seeing AI in a lot of places. Now Google plans to put Gemini AI in your TV. Now don't ask me what it's gonna do, but it's probably gonna see how you're using your TV, which apps you're using on your TV and what kind of content you would like to watch. And based on that, it'll probably recommend you something. But the most interesting thing is, if it happens, you can just pick up your remote and say something like, show me latest film from Shah Rukh Khan or Amir Khan. Like you can just ask a question in natural language, like normal way, and it'll give you the result that you want. Now that particular feature can be pretty impressive if it works. Let's see when it comes. Now it's 2025 and OpenAI seems to be working on something called AI agents. Now we've already seen ChatGPT. After that, we have seen something called chatbots. Now according to Sam Altman, these AI agents can actually join workforce. That means these AI agents are going to be the AI that are going to do the real job. Now you might have to ask, will these AI agents take away our jobs? Probably no, but all the smaller, tedious, repetitive tasks can probably be given to these AI agents and the companies can save a lot of money. So many people might lose their jobs. Besides that, OpenAI is not going to stop with AI agents. They are going to be working on super intelligence. Now, they plan to use AI and super intelligence to solve problems related to scientific research. So let's see what new things OpenAI will create in 2025. Amazon has launched its new EcoSpot smart alarm clock in India. Now this is how it looks. Now this can be considered as an upgrade to the previous EcoSpot, which was launched way back in 2018. Now this one comes with a 2.8-inch display and a 1.73-inch front-firing speaker. It's priced at 9,000 rupees and as an introductory price, you can buy it right now at 6,500 rupees. Personally, I don't think Amazon is really worth the investment because it's like a standalone platform. Instead, I would go for something like a Google Home clock or something like that because we have a lot of services integrated into Google, so it'll have a much more usability. What do you think about this new Amazon EcoSpot? Do let me know by commenting below this video. OnePlus has finally launched OnePlus 13 and 13R in India. First, let's look at OnePlus 13. It is priced at 70,000 rupees. It comes with a 6.82-inch 2K display, OLED obviously. It has a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and the camera is configured by Hasselblad. Now this is how the phone looks. It definitely looks pretty cool, but nothing too revolutionary. And after discounts, you can probably get it for around 65,000 rupees. Now this is the OnePlus 13R. It looks once again pretty similar to OnePlus 13 in many ways. It comes with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 6.78-inch AMOLED display, and this one is priced at 43,000 rupees for the base variant. After discount, you can get it for 40,000 rupees. Now these two phones are just launched and you can start buying it from 10th January. By the way, if you buy the OnePlus 13 and 13R before February 13, 2025, you can get 180 days one-time free replacement. Like if you buy OnePlus 13 or the 13R and you are having some hardware issue, display issue, battery issue, no matter what, in these 180 days, you can get one-time free device replacement. Like you get a brand new device. If you buy the phone after the offer, you'll have to spend like 2,800 rupees for OnePlus 13 and 2,300 rupees for OnePlus 13R for the same 180-day replacement benefit. Now, besides these two phones, OnePlus has also launched new magnetic cases which are compatible with wireless charging as well and a 50-watt AirVOOC charger. Samsung Galaxy S25 Unpacked event is going to be set on January 22nd. Pre-registration has already started. So if you're interested, you can pay them 2,000 rupees and get benefits up to 5,000 rupees. If you're planning to buy the next Samsung S25 or the S25 Ultra, then it's definitely better to pre-register for it and get some extra goodies. By the way, what do you think about the upcoming S25 series of phones? What are your expectations? Do let me know by commenting below this video. Amazon Great Republic Day sale is going to be starting from January 13th, and for Prime users it's going to be starting from January 12th. So if you're planning to buy any gadgets or planning to do some kind of shopping on Amazon, better wait and get some extra discounts. By the way, the starting days will have more discounts, and as you go on, prices will slightly increase. And during this sale, you can get an extra 10% discount if you use an SBI credit card and debit card as well. So guys, that's all the news I have for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button, and if you don't, hit the dislike button. Your feedback really helps the channel a lot. With that said, see you next time. Bye bye.